What if I told you that in 2025, some people don't go to work for money, money comes to them? They don't need a factory, an office, or even a team. All they need is a laptop and artificial intelligence. Meet Evan, 27 years old, once a freelance designer living paycheck to paycheck. Every month, he barely made enough to survive. His dream? Freedom. Not just from his job, but from fear. He looked at his laptop one night and thought, if people can make millions online, why not me? But he had no clue how until AI entered his life.
At first, AI was just a toy, something people used for fun. But Evan saw something more. He saw a way to turn words into wealth. He learned how ChatGPT could write ads, Midjourney could create visuals, and Notion AI could organize projects automatically.
Night after night, he studied. Prompt after prompt. He failed, restarted, improved, and one night, his first project went viral.
$50, then $200, then $500. For the first time, Evan realized he didn't need a boss. His laptop was now his ATM.
He built AI-powered systems that ran on autopilot, automated YouTube thumbnails, AI-written blog posts, digital courses designed with AI visuals, and every click made him richer. Evan created what he called the AI ATM system. 1. ChatGPT, idea generator and writer. 2. Midjourney, visual creator. 3. Notion AI, project organizer. 4. Runway/Pika Labs, video automation. 5. Monetization, digital products, affiliate links, stock assets. It wasn't about money anymore. It was about control over time, over purpose, over life. Now, he travels with nothing but his laptop. While others chase jobs, he builds systems that work for him. He doesn't trade hours for money anymore. He trades ideas for impact.
In the age of AI, money doesn't sleep, it scales. And those who master it will create wealth not just for themselves, but for generations to come.
Evan's story isn't about luck. It's about leverage. Leverage of time, technology, and thought. So the next time you open your laptop, ask yourself, are you working for money, or are you building your own digital ATM?